We're here in Tacloban in the Philippines, where nearly 4.5 years ago, Typhoon Yolanda struck, completely decimating this whole area. The homes behind me were completely wiped out, and this ship that I'm actually standing on broke anchor at sea and was driven inland. We decided that we were going to take up the challenge to raise over $300,000 to build an entire village of 53 homes. And this is our and your journey to success. The effects of Yolanda are still very obvious here, with most families living in temporary shelter. Our vision is to change people's lives by delivering hope, health and happiness to this local community. So we're going to build a village, one home and one family at a time, until we've built 53 of them.
I believe.
Huge thanks and appreciation to all the sponsors and everybody involved in this project, because you have built an entire village of 53 homes, and real success is changing people's lives.
On behalf of the people of Cambayan, we are very grateful for your generosity, for giving us 53 houses for 53 families. We are overwhelmed by your kindness. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.